Origins 19315. If we get a fever, we'll do the random. Alright, for the dream, Letitia, am I here? Yes. Lynx, Aerial Powers. That's a cool name. Lynx, Tiffany Mitchell. For the fever, Aaliyah, Boston. That's a random. Courtney Vandersloot. Liberty, auto, not numbered. So 2 Sabali. Jersey auto. Wings, Dallas. 34 of 35, Naz Hillman. Brittany Griner. Tamika Catchings. Is that a case hit? It is. It is Brittany Griner for the Mercury. Cool card. Little tiger eyes. Now random to give away the fever. Five times here. 1, if fever end up on top, it'll be the team in spot 2, 4, and 5. It's the Mercury. That is it for 19315.